So 3 things I got at Sharky's. This is a kid's meal for my kid. Salad for my wife. And this is my Sharky's burrito. Sharky's burrito. Looks real good. Let's try it out. Really, really, really good. Excellent burrito. Sharky's modern Mexican food. Real good food. Excellent burrito. It's a little bit on the expensive side. I think it's $9, but it's a really big burrito. It's a full meal. It will fill you up. Amazing burrito, great food, highly recommended. Sharky's modern Mexican food. If you have it in your town, in your neighborhood, definitely give them a try. Thank you guys for watching Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video.